Annyeonghaseyo from Korea. If you've heard of Korean food, you've undoubtedly heard of kimchi. Where's my kimchi? Well, let's have a look. It's this guy right here. Yes, this is our kimchi. And it tastes delicious. My wife's Korean, so undoubtedly in our house we have a lot of kimchi. So I thought I'd just shoot this quick video. I'm making something with kimchi at the moment, and I noticed that my wife has a lot of kimchi in the house. So let's just see what we have. Well, open the fridge. I've got 2 boxes full of this one. The other one's in the fridge. We'll leave that in there. It's fermenting away, but I thought I'd show you this one here. So I've got this kimchi. Ooh, there's more in here. Look, how much does she need? I have to eat all this. Wow, look at this guy. It's going everywhere. Oh, all right, so we've got this kimchi. Then, my hands are fine, they're covered in kimchi. Let's just dive right in. We've got this, beautiful. This is white kimchi made with these delicious radish. Well, white kimchi. This is radish kimchi, and I love this. It's so tasty. So we take the radish, including some of the stems, that's the green part, and make kimchi from it. That's fantastic. We've got, look at all this. It's a lot of kimchi. Then there's even more. Look, what's this? What is this? There's this green kimchi. These are the stems of something. I'm not sure what plant these are of, but they are of some type of plant. Probably the radish as well. And there's more kimchi. They're in with these ones as well, because I've got even more of that. There's always kimchi in a Korean household. I've lived in Korea for nearly half my life now, and I love kimchi, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Just if you're not sure about kimchi, if you're just interested in seeing a foreigner deal with all this kimchi. Down below in the information section, I've included 2 links to 2 delicious kimchi recipes. Kimchi guksu is a cold noodle recipe with a sort of cold soup using kimchi and the kimchi sauce as a base. And kimchi jjigae is one of my top 4 best Korean foods, and I've included a recipe for that. So check those out if you're interested in cooking something with kimchi. In the meantime, hope you enjoyed the video, learned a little bit more about kimchi, or at least just enjoyed seeing kimchi shown. So have a great day, go out there and cook something, and if you make anything with kimchi, let me know in the comments. Annyeonghaseyo, thanks for watching. I love kimchi. Oh, it's so good.